to Pia Orchids Garden USA. Today I'm going to show you one of my Phalaenopsis orchid that is in full bloom, and this one is growing in a Sphagnum, and I thought this was dying, and then what happened is it started growing right here. This is a new it's almost like a keiki, but it's not. It's growing really weird. I've never seen a Phalaenopsis like this before. And look at that, it curves right here. See how it curves? Curves right there and all the way here. And it's got a longer leaves. And like I said, I thought it was dying before. It just grew another plant, I guess, right in the middle of that mother plant. So this is called Phalaenopsis Orchids, and growing in a Sphagnum. And I'm going to show you what it looks like right here. It's got even a hole right here, but it's all right. It's not dead. It's alive. The new roots right there. And the best part about it is that it has this beautiful, beautiful bloom. Look at that flower right here. Isn't that gorgeous? So, so pretty. It's orange and fuchsia in the middle. It's just truly, truly gorgeous flower. And it has more bloom this time than the last time, I guess. This is the very first time that it bloomed for me. And I love this plant. I just love the color of the flower. It's so gorgeous. Look how beautiful that is. So pretty. Look at that. The texture of that plant, of the orchids. The flower is so gorgeous. It's got one more getting ready to open. Still buds right here. Look how pretty that is. So beautiful. And this one I leave on the window where the sunrise is, inside the indoor. I don't grow them outside during cold weather. They don't survive. They die. So they're tropical plants, and they're just gorgeous as it can be. And watering. So watering is I water it whenever it needs it. For example, once a week. And just now, today I just finished watering it. So and then I have this flower pot right here that I got from the Amazon, and then I put a bunch of holes in there. And this one is to catch the water so it doesn't fall on the floor. And so anyway, fertilizer, I fertilize once a week. I mix in with water. I just use the regular Miracle Grow fertilizer, and I just follow the direction, and that's what all the fertilizer that I use for my orchids. I don't have a very specific or special fertilizer for them. I just use the regular one. It's easier, and it's easier to manage, and I don't have to mix them all up with different types of, like oil and all that. I just use the regular fertilizer. It's easier, and the plants doesn't mind, and it's growing really well. So this one that I'm hoping that, I know for sure this one is not gonna bloom this year because it's already done blooming. So probably next year, and hopefully that it doesn't. See if there's any new leaf in there. I don't see any new leaf in there growing. So anyway, I just love the color of this plant. I mean, just so gorgeous flower. It's just really, really inspiring, totally inspiring flower, and I love it. Look how pretty that is. It's so gorgeous. All right, so if you guys have any questions, just let me know. And in summer, by the way, I put out all my orchids. I don't keep it indoor. They need to feel that natural habitat, that they have growing in the woods or in the jungle or forest or something out in the tropical. So that's why I keep them outside. It's easier for them to develop more leaves and also develop buds or spike. So that's what I do. I leave it all outside, and they love it there. Here's another Phalaenopsis that I have. This one is really pretty too. It's also growing on sphagnum moss. Look at that. It's gorgeous inside the plastic, so it doesn't drip on the floor. Really, really nice. Healthy looking. I don't know what happened to that black spot in there, but it's okay. It's not bothering the orchids. And here's the bloom. Look at this, guys. So pretty. Nice. I love this color actually. This color is gorgeous. It's what the most orchids looks like. I'm gonna focus the, so amazing, just gorgeous. And I have another one right here behind. This one's doing really well as well. Growing in a sphagnum moss. Beautiful, isn't it? I think I got this at Winkle's. It's like $4. You know, because I remember the flower, they're really small. It's a big plant, but it's a small flower. So pretty. This one right here, it's got like 2 eyeballs in there. Can't see it, but it's like 2 eyeballs. So of course, it's got personality. It's like a bat. Just amazing, isn't it? So this is when I wake up in the morning, I get to see this. Oh, it's just awesome. Just so, so gorgeous. Love it. So thank you so much. I hope you like this video. And if you do, please give it a thumbs up. And comments below if you have any questions. And the sphagnum moss that I use, I got it from, they sell them at Lowe's or Home Depot. I think they might have it at Walmart, I'm not sure. But anyway, so thank you so much, and I hope you liked the video. Thank you so much, and shout out to the members of the channel of PIA Orchids Garden USA, and shout out to the PIA team. Okay, thank you so much. Bye now. Take care. God bless.